In today's video, we are comparing the high-end TOPDON ONE against the Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT to see which bidirectional scanner truly dominates. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these diagnostic tools, make sure to check the link in the description below. While the TOPDON ONE grabs attention with its massive 10.1-inch screen and built-in J2534 Pass-Thru support for dealer-level coding, the Autel MK900BT fights back with an incredible library of over 3,000 active tests that can command and monitor nearly every actuator. But its smaller 8-inch display feels less premium than the TOPDON's spacious interface. The TOPDON shines with its advanced OE topology mapping that visualizes the entire vehicle network like a factory diagram, yet the Autel counters with an expanded service menu of over 40 resets, including ADAS calibration and battery registration. Although you might find that many features are locked behind subscription updates compared to the TOPDON's more straightforward functionality. For European car specialists, the TOPDON's advanced ECU coding for BMW, VW, and Mercedes, combined with guided VEG functions, is a massive win, while the Autel MK900BT offers broader coverage with its FCA AutoAuth and SGW bypass for newer Chryslers and Renaults, but it requires contacting support for authorizations, which can be a hassle. Both tools support the modern CAN-FD and DoIP protocols, making them future-proof for GM, Volvo, and Jaguar vehicles, yet the TOPDON includes the VCI module in the box for pass-through capabilities, whereas the Autel requires you to purchase additional accessories like the BT506 battery tester separately for full functionality. While the Autel MK900BT offers amazing value with its sheer volume of active tests and a lower entry price, the TOPDON ONE justifies its cost with a more professional-grade build, a larger screen, and out-of-the-box J2534 support that can replace multiple factory tools in a busy shop. Ultimately, both are fantastic, but for professional technicians who prioritize a seamless workflow and dealer-level customization, the TOPDON ONE stands out as the superior investment, and you can find it at the best price through the link in our description below.